Assalamu everyone. In this video, we will learn about the leave encashment. Okay, how the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 actually treat a leave in encashment under the head of salary. What is actually leave encashment? When you will do a job at any company, then there is certain number of leave which are available. That is annual leaves, sick leave, casual leave. But the policies are different, and they differ from company to company. Okay, so if there are annual leaves, let's suppose there are 30 annual leaves or 15 annual leaves annually, and you are not availing these leaves. Okay, your total service is, let's suppose, 20 years. Okay, and each year you are entitled to gain 30 annual leaves. So in 20 years, the total number of annual leaves will be, let's suppose, 600 annual leaves. Okay, out of 600 you have availed 200 annual leaves, but 400 annual leaves are still at your leave ledger, and you haven't availed them. Then your company, your employer, your organization is liable to pay back the value of leave encashment against these unavailed leave, because you have provided your services to that organizations in lieu of these leaves. So but the treatment of tax regarding the leave encashment is different. Okay, if you're working in a private company or in a public company, or you are receiving leave encashment before or after retirement. Okay, let's suppose, okay, write down here that is before retirement. Okay, and the second one is after retirement. Okay, and here we write down, let's suppose you're employee of private company, private company employee. Okay, and let's suppose if you are a public company employee, then what will be the taxable treatment? Simple. Okay, just make a column here. Okay, so if you're working in a private company, okay, let's suppose if you're working in a private company and you have received leave encashment before retirement, okay, not after retirement but before retirement, then your leave encashment will be taxable. Again, if you are from a private company, then your leave encashment will be, if you're working in a private company and you are receiving leave encashment after the retirement, then your leave encashment amount will be taxable, and they all will be 100% taxable. Okay, there will be no subsidy and there will be no deduction available here, so these values will be 100% taxable. Now come here in the case of public company, or you're working as a in a government employee. Okay, so if you're receiving your leave encashment after the retirement, then it will be taxable. But in case if you're working in a public company and you are receiving your leave encashment that is before retirement, okay, you haven't retired but you want to receive it just preparatory to the retirement, then these value will be 100% exempt. Okay, so only in the case of public company, when you're working in at any public company, government organization, and you receive your leave encashment just before the retirement, or any time before the retirement, then it will be exempted from the tax. But in all other three cases, it will be 100% taxable. Thank you so much.